Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English Guru.
Every day, I dedicate just 2 minutes to speaking English, and it's transformed my confidence. I start by picking a topic, anything from my favorite book to my last vacation. I set a timer and just talk. It's amazing how much I can express in such a short time. I focus on pronunciation and try to use new vocabulary I've learned. Sometimes, I record myself. Listening back helps me catch mistakes and improve. I even challenge myself by speaking in front of a mirror. It feels silly at first, but it builds my comfort level. 2 minutes may seem short, but it's consistent practice that makes a difference. Over time, I've noticed my fluency improving, and I feel more at ease in conversations. So, if you want to boost your English skills, grab 2 minutes each day and just speak. Speaking English for just 2 minutes a day can transform your fluency. It's all about consistency. Start by picking a topic you love, maybe your favorite book or a recent movie. Set a timer for 2 minutes and talk about it. Describe the plot, share your thoughts, or even summarize a character's journey. This exercise not only builds your vocabulary, but also boosts your confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Record yourself if you can. Listening back helps you catch pronunciation errors and track your progress. You can also practice with a friend or language partner. Take turns speaking and give each other feedback. Remember, the goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. So, embrace the challenge and watch your speaking skills soar.